In this video, we use our laser machine to create this perfectly adorable wood Mother's Day card.
The mother who was going to receive this card is a major cat lover. So artist Sam, who also loves cats, used a design featuring a bunch of cats that he'd already created, and then he added the Happy Mother's Day words and flowers to the bottom using Adobe Illustrator. The cat portion of the design is available as an instant download on our Etsy store. We'll include a link in the description. For this card, we thought it would be fun to do a combination of engraving and vector cutting to showcase the wood and highlight the colored cardstock we'd be adding to the back. So the black areas you see will be engraved, and the red lines show where we'll cut through the wood. We used a piece of 1/8" maple that was masked on the front side to prevent burn marks, and then commenced the somewhat long process of engraving and vector cutting. It took about 15 minutes to complete this part of the project on our Trotec Speedy 400. We also used the laser to score and cut through a piece of cardstock that we'd be attaching to the back of the wood piece. The scoring down the middle of the cardstock was just intended for the card to have a cleaner fold. Next comes the fun part. Dave removed all of the paper mask from the front of the wood, which took a while because there were a lot of little pieces from the lasering process. It also didn't help that the mask was applied to the wood a long time ago, so it was pretty well bonded. Using tweezers helped a lot in grabbing the small pieces, and some patience helped too. Dave used a squeegee and a brush to add some wood glue to the entire back side of the wood, and then attached the blue card that was cut out on the laser. I created a simple inside message for the card, included some trim marks, and then printed it on a sheet of cardstock. Dave trimmed the card with an X-Acto knife and straight edge. And finally, the inside message card was glued to the inside of the larger card using a trusty glue stick.
Thanks for watching. We think this card is the cat's Meow. Let us know in the comments what you think and if you've ever done a project like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more laser projects coming soon. Stay tuned.